One to go with my Star Wars one.
I'll be like Clarence. Sorry, y'all.
Hey, Russ, what is that?
Fire.
Oh yeah, she got the good one. You got the best one.
Bonfire thing.
Oh, very cool.
Like I said, y'all gonna have some. Yeah.
What'd you get out of
You
it,
better
Mr.
watch
G?
Dad. He might.
Christmas socks.
Glow in the dark Christmas socks.
He needs socks. But again, he's gotta wait till Christmas now. So he's gotta wait all year wearing?
I don't know if I burn the candle or not.
Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking my
There it goes.
Yeah, those right there. Some bottles ready to go.
The candy was.
The one like I already got.
Right on time.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Uncle Tommy's got a gummy bear. Uncle Tommy's got a gummy bear.
Hey, you want some gummies?
Oh, yeah. Wait, did you check them out?
Yeah,
Make sure they're really good, real?
Yeah, they're good.
Tommy, you got a gummy bear? Yeah. That was your gift. No, this man is the sugar addict. Like, you're gonna catch him in bed tonight at like midnight.
Hugging his gummy bears.
He didn't have a lump in his belly. It's a gummy bear.
No, not for that man. Not for that man. He is a sugarholic. Chocolate, gummy bears, it does not matter. Come on,
Tommy, catch up
really
with
is like, help me. Gotcha. Got your Grinch socks, yo Grinch. Yo Grinch.
How do you wind up with the beads? Did that come in the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I showed.
You gotta show extra to get the bells. Come on.
Bring them out, bring them out.
Yeah. Well, anything came from Hobby Lobby, it's got glitter. I'm just saying, y'all.
That's real.
You're welcome.
you get.
I tell Brad every night I come home from work and it's like I got a nap dance for Tiffany glitter. And I am very covered. My last person yesterday, everybody's loved. She literally was buying everything she had in her buggy was covered in glitter. And trying to wrestle it in the bag, you just give up. You're like,
Miss
so
Norland.
literally, so my shoes are full of glitter. I start sneezing sometimes.
Miss Adams.
I love that place, though. Oh my gosh, I could be there all day long.
You wouldn't be surprised how many different things.
Just scratching off my letter.
Oh,
So
yeah.
many different things.
Yeah.
This
Well,
is
it's amazing
important
when
stuff.
they change over to the priceless thing early, too.
Yep, $3.
Real early.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the items they have, like the wrapping paper, y'all is
I
on
went
point.
$2.
Like,
I went
like if
$3.
you get the foil, like
You go then I can buy more stuff.
you can't, like,
That stuff got
you
strength
can't
like
even
nobody's
tear it.
business.
Like I felt bad for the claws. He was yanking and yanking and I want it back.
Here they go.
Yeah, we I think that they're better than Michael's. I used to go to Michael's.
Oh, they're not both from Michael's this weekend,
Oh,
but
are they?
Michael's is more of a, they're more of a floral,
Yeah.
craft only thing,
Yeah.
where, like now, Hobby Lobby, like we have a whole section of that stuff, we have, whole section of craft.
I think I'm just hearing the one where it's sap.
The spray paint, they have all that stuff.
You got a vacation when I become
Well, here, take you this too.
She can barely carry that one.
Well, that's not gonna add a whole lot to it. I got some other things in here, but it's the monster that's the problem.
The monster from the box, whatever.
Oh, is she okay?
She'll get up on the bar, she'll get up on the table.
Go!
She'll do whatever.
Yeah.
He goes over the couch like it's nothing.
Yeah, it's on the couch in the basement. She'll jump off the back of it.
Oh, really? Wow.
Like, she'll climb over the top and then like slide off the back. Like,
Yeah.
that's couch in the basement. It's a bit taller than that.
That's
Oh,
the
man.
cool stuff.
Now we're talking.
Jingle, jingle.
Like right on the back today.
You guys haven't looked it up. You haven't been in the basement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We was when I don't remember when it was. Yeah, we was there.
Okay, yeah, I've added on to it now, so it's
Oh, you have?
yeah, it's a big U now.
Oh, okay.
It's probably from that wall to that, and it's just a big U.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta have something to watch those games, right?
I know one of my buddies from work came over
They
and he
have
was.
one of those left right games that you do left.
I'm like, well, the plan is to get the pool a little bit bigger. He goes, this is big enough. I go, no, I won't be.
Well, you see those new laser ones they got now?
Well, I saw,
Just
there's a 135 inch
I had
full,
never
like,
seen it. It popped up on
like
my
full
feed.
stream, but
Oh,
it's
not
got
like
some
that.
movie.
Yeah.
It's like $15,000 for the TV, and I'm like,
And it was kind of short.
No.
Not quite there yet.
what? There's also, like,
So I got some, I got some.
Oh, yeah.
you can get this device to turn 4 TVs into
That's
one.
the
It makes
cool
120 TVs.
Which got to be hilarious.
And then if you want to split it, you can split it and turn 4 games on at
You
once.
would buy the best
Gotcha.
game.
Yeah. There
The elephant trunk
you go. You can have multiple games going.
With the 2 TVs, I can watch 4 games at once.
Uh-huh.
And both are so small, I'm 75 inches high. I'm like,
roll the dice. Get 5 minutes. So everybody.
It's pretty sad. We have a 40 inch.
And then got a dice and
But you know, it's
well, the gap that, or
and
the
it's
space
6, under a
that
6, you
I
can
measured
snap
it,
something
it's
together.
138
And then
inches,
5
so I
minutes
could
and
fit.
talk about
So
it.
130 would be
That's
perfect.
fun. Some of these Christmas
What?
games are fun.
Yeah.
No, I just thought.
What am I gonna get it?
No, what you
doing?
Yeah.
I knew Trace and Kate were
There's a
gonna
lot
be
of other
in
things.
town,
I gotta build the deck.
Oh.
I gotta
What you did?
I gotta
Wow.
some more stuff before I upgrade my downstairs.
Better at the gas
Gotcha.
station.
I did our pergola. I got a bathroom.
Yeah, dude.
I think this summer we're gonna do
Look at that started. Yeah, you did it.
Go.
Well, it's gonna be 70 feet across the house, 60, so we're gonna do overhang 5 feet on each side, so we got stairs on both sides.
Okay.
Well, just off the bat. So, you know, we're not gonna go down
That's
to the ground level, we're gonna go out
cool
the
stuff.
house. You only have 3 or 4 steps.
Gotcha to get
So
to
you
that.
can walk around
Yeah.
instead of
Big long stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
it's too much.
No, I don't have a spider.
Because then you gotta
Oh, yeah. Hey, Bud, where's your Spider-Man?
It
I might
out
be
the
sitting on it.
freaking staircase.
You might be sitting
Oh,
on
yes,
it.
exactly.
Yeah. We got these 6x6 we got them on the skateboard, so we're gonna do those. We got one
What? What's going on?
Okay.
So you need a bed?
So, yeah, what are the 8-footers?
6x6
Oh, okay. Okay, I got
That isn't even big enough to hold her opinion right now.
That's the plan, so we're gonna
Yeah, what he said. I love it.
Kind of, yeah.
So it's a separate.
Just light up.
Oh, there you go.
That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Jolly.
This
is
jolly.
Way over jolly.
This is
later.
I know exactly what you're saying.
So you can
14 over
think fast,
Yep.
think slow.
and I was buying the longest sticks of trucks I could get. Cause
So
I only
don't
want
be a dummy and go and watch it.
No.
That's why, like,
Gotcha.
after I leave,
Yeah. Well, so did you,
I take it off
like,
as soon
what
as
color did
I
you
get
get?
to the
I
house.
don't know. I haven't even bought anything yet.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I was just pricing.
Gotcha. So you need to be 12 on center on trucks.
12 on 10.
12 on center. Because otherwise it's gonna sag.
Oh yeah, I think we're doing.
You got a little tabletop bonfire, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, were you talking about your,
Oh no, we're doing 12. No, we're doing 12.
Yeah, 12.
Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Those are tie-ins. So we're doing 16 and then tie-ins.
I think we got
What
So
you
we're
got,
tying
Liz?
together.
I have some
So it
coffee.
wasn't like a long 6 to 16, but it's
Want some
still
coffee?
laddered.
Okay. Gotcha.
So
He says to be
Yeah, that's
caffeine.
one of the things that, because everybody usually, they want the trucks. And like,
hey, how far did you do yours apart? Your ladder, you're doing your. We're doing 16 or 12? 12?
Oh, okay.
I just know we were built.
Doc says.
This is. What's yours? Is,
2001.
yeah, what,
24 by 28.
yeah. We built a ton of ladders for that. So we built ladder, and then we put a ladder in and then tie 2 ladders together.
Wow.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you should see the deck you just put on this house.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Mark?
Oh yeah.
Sunroom. Yeah, sunroom.
Oh,
Three
yeah.
seasons.
Oh, nice.
And then you get all the sliding doors all the way around.
Okay.
That's loud.
Two 6 or 8 foot doors, and then they have on the sides, and then they always beautiful.
Nice. Nice.
Out west, they have watching these silly decorator shows out. They do the collapsible walls. Have you done any of those?
We do it's called Easy Porch, and so they're you can
The whole glass.
you can well these here they're like 4 feet wide, and you can get up to 8 foot if you want to. And you open it and then they collapse all the way down to like just having a little. So then
Oh no, these
it's a
ones are like
screened-in
glass doors,
yeah,
and you unlatch them, and they bifold,
yeah,
and the whole wall is like that.
yeah. We
I've seen them in like they do them out in like California and stuff like that.
yeah,
More deep south type things where
yeah.
you don't have flies and skeeters. Like this place, there's no skeeters.
Now
I've seen those on the decorator show. I always think they're so
Going
cool.
over on you.
the Easy Porch ones are pretty cool too. Because the nice thing is that you put them up and it's like a summer room, and then you put them down and it's like a screen porch. So yeah.
Can you get through there? I bet you
But
can.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, probably not with that though.
And you my stupid.
Better go around the other way. Go through the kitchen.
Get all my bright ideas.
We had a
They
lady.
never come to fruition, but they're up there. They're right.
we had a lady who had this input, right?
left you with Chris.
And so
Take stuff out of the car.
Somebody just backed out of the road. You have to go to the potty? Okay, let's go.
she
Let's go.
she wanted as much light in her in this info that she could get.
Uh-huh.
So we put one of these. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick
Yeah.
of like a plastic on the top
Yeah.
for it. So we built this roof line coming out of it, and then we did that system coming up to the front with the same door, so she could open it up so she got all the light in there and stuff. So it was pretty cool. So she really loves it. We see her so, this is cool.
The 2001.
But we get people. The hardest part was that she wanted it waterproof.
Come on, Rudy.
It was a nightmare. Every time we turned around for a while, let's leak in here. Let's leak in there. All right, go back. Yeah, well, it wasn't designed to be waterproof, you know. But we got it to her point where she's not called and complained in a couple years.
That's loud.
Oh, yeah.
No.
We're on.
Yep.
Yeah. the trailer that we just did work on the other day. 40
Need an
years
office
old.
phone.
Oh, is that what it is? And this thing, the plumbers come in and they pretty much cut out all the joists to put the plumbing in, right? And so the whole floor was like down like this.
The shows that I watch a lot where they have the contractors come in to do the home renovation.
Yeah.
Every time that's the
Go.
time where previous renovators had, they hired some hack guy to do some half job and they've cut joists in half or notched basically over half of it
1
out.
minute.
Oh,
because
yeah.
it's unstable.
Oh yeah, that was we're like going.
You put a marble on the floor and it goes, woo!
Oh yeah, it was like this. It was on the laundry room side. Yeah, and so all the stuff in the laundry room side was sagging, and so we had to come in, jack everything back up, put all new joists in there, and then cut out all their plumbing, and then redo all their plumbing. It was like, oh my god, it was just stupid. And so the guy had wild turkeys, and so these wild turkeys were attacking my guys. And my guys are coming, these goddamn turkeys!
Yeah, they were making babies.
Yeah.
And the client was so embarrassed. She's like, I'm so embarrassed. I'm like, well, I don't know what you should really do about it.
Freaking turkey. Yeah, they're turkeys. They had a couple peacocks too.
Oh,
we have peacocks in our area.
Very unpredictable.
Yeah.
no worse than dogs.
Oh yeah.
Our,
Yeah.
the vet that we go to in Bridgewater, they have a bunch of free roaming peacocks.
Peacocks. Yeah.
Yeah, they have peacocks, they have,
Oh, there you go.
partridges,
Yeah, there's partridges and
partridges and,
yeah.
yeah, that vet has everything. They're loud
Peacocks.
too. But you
Oh,
pull
yeah,
up and
yeah.
there was nothing to see on top of the garage. 3 or 4 peacocks sitting there.
3 minutes late.
They're terribly loud.
Oh, you should have heard the cicadas in our area.
Oh, really?
Oh
they
my
were
god.
so loud.
Yeah, my guys would call me up like, they're giving me headaches, man. These things are so
Yeah,
loud.
when they first started, it wasn't too bad. It was just
We're yelling at the
Yes.
double loop.
Look at-
Okay.
Yep.
So it wasn't just
17 years, 11 years. Yeah.
I remember them saying that there was a double
You're
loop
tired.
somewhere. Yeah.
Those guys can't see nothing. They'll just like bang right into your head and stuff. You like sitting there like, you watch them hit the houses. It's crazy.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'm so
You know when
tired.
we ran through that one time when we were going down Alabama? That locust, those locusts.
Locust, hey.
Oh,
We
Lucas.
ran through a freaking storm.
No, it's grasshoppers.
Yeah, it was flying grasshoppers.
Oh, really?
Grasshoppers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And,
It's disgusting.
flashes. It was something like hell, man.
Oh my
And
god.
there was bleeding guts everywhere.
So many of them.
You go.
Could not believe it.
It was like one of those things where like, oh crap, it's happening.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
apocalypse is happening.
We did this after dark over and
Wow.
right? And it starts raining. And so we're doing our run. Awesome.
Oh no.
Frogs, little
They don't
frogs
work that way.
everywhere. So you're like,
Oh.
yes, frogs everywhere. So they're like little frogs everywhere. So it's like just crunching them. Oh yeah. Yeah, you couldn't do anything. There were so many of them, and you can't see them because it was like dark when you like, oh
Went
man.
off right at the last minute.
No, meltdown! It's meltdown!
She was playing with the dog.
You missed the game, Kaden.
I was
When I
sleeping.
see the way up.
Oh, did he
Those tacos knocked me out.
Good boy.
I was trying to get Zoya to sleep, and she got me to sleep. Really bad.
Close. What, are you ready to go?
You ready to go home, big guy?
Mama's car's running.
Oh, did you start it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cold up there.
What's Scott doing?
We were supposed to go tonight.
Oh, really?
We did.
Uh-huh.
But now I don't feel bad. I forgot a cookie.
Yeah.
Are you still looking at the one place?
Yeah.
He just don't.
Yeah,
Because he's so happy.
You're still there now.
And they're calling a technician now.
Alright, cool.
Yep, I just got a promotion.
Awesome. That's great. Good job. I just get amazed at how many younger people don't want to work. It trips me out. You know, it's just sad.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Our turnover rate is really bad, especially in the other building where they do the filtration.
Hi, Soya.
You want to see a bad turnover rate go work where I work.
Where do you work?
Asian Dominican sisters. They're bringing in new aides like every day.
Oh, really?
You work?
I bet it's a candy bar.
Huh?
You work there?
Asian Dominican
They have
sisters.
You
two
can't
forklifts or one forklift?
No, you can't have
Asian
that.
Dominican sisters.
Yeah, now they have one or two forklifts.
I don't know, maybe
This is
one.
bad.
I don't know. In my building, they don't have none. It's in a, they have a house in the other one, but I think they probably got one or
You
two.
can't
I was
have
gonna say I service.
Not a- it's
Like I've taken care of that one.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how they do it. Forklifts they got.
Dang, I
So
went
you
in.
go to the place.
I go all over. Like I go from Sandusky all the way to Defiance,
Oh, okay.
all the way up to Jonesville, as far north as Saline, and then all the way over to Midvale. I cover
Love you, boy.
probably 250 miles.
Love him, love him.
I didn't realize. I thought they brought them to your place.
Oh no, I have the truck that's in the driveway. I go all over. So when you guys
Jack,
you'll see the
it's going on.
truck that's in my driveway.
Coming from
Yeah,
over
I
there.
go all over.
Okay. I didn't realize that.
Oh,
So you got all the tools in there. You need and all that.
yeah.
Doing it there, Bert.
Hey,
I know they wanted to do inventory on my truck.
Candy bar.
Nico.
They wanted to do
Go
inventory on my
do
truck
it.
this weekend. I was like, no, I know. They're like, he goes, what? And I go, you're not.
See you in 7 months.
Yeah. I'm like, I'm not leaving
See you
my
in-
truck here for a week and a half.
See you in 7 months.
All right, we'll see you again really soon, okay? I hope you have a Merry
I'll leave
Christmas.
it here for a day or two.
And make it home safe and
I'm
sound,
not leaving
okay?
it for
Okay.
a whole week and a half. I'm
Ready
sorry.
to go.
I don't blame you.
Hope Santa brings everything you ask for.
See you, Mr. Klaus.
He done
It's
gone.
been a while, hasn't it, huh, Billy?
Take care of you too, Merry
High
Christmas.
five. Oh. High five.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, there they go.
Yeah, Chris. It was good seeing you. I wish we could talk more.
Yeah, we'll see each other again soon.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we'll be back.
For
Sound like Arnold.
Family Reunion 2025.
Because of the fact that Mom's up here now.
So yeah, it's a one-stop shop, y'all.
Yeah, instead of going, we go to West Palm or Michigan.
No,
And
it's pretty nice, y'all.
Well, I know, we know that's what we did for the last few
We
years.
went the other direction.
We're down there. I know Peggy and I are getting ready to plan our girls' trip. We're thinking we might go to okay.
Go where?
Oh, it's in Texas. It's like a little island.
Oh.
South Padre.
No,
Remind you of future a little bit?
Galveston.
Oh,
It's like
okay.
a
Oh,
peninsula
okay.
off
Okay.
of Houston.
Shouldn't see you jump.
So it might go to Galveston.
Big hurricane back in the early.
We want to go to New Orleans, but because of the crime rate, David's not keen on it.
Yeah.
I mean,
And then future at its biggest was probably 3 times. It's like,
oh, we got a like that.
This
We want to go to California.
Thank you.
Yeah. It didn't quit.
I think
Are you going
Do I get to make
like
it?
perfect.
Again?
There you go.
Like
I
that.
don't know if I'll
Your
go this
daughter's
year.
got coffee.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. As long as you don't put her teeth through it.
Hey, bud. Have you watched your
Oh,
juice?
it's me, Klaus's.
Hey, Klaus.
Gotta wait for mom. Bud. Gotta wait for mom.
on time.
It's like really.
Shut the door. No, Bradley, shut the door.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is Aurelia. The whole freaking anytime.
When you're here?
Yeah, when we're on the golf cart, when we're watching our shows, she'll just sit there and just pull
It's a
the
sensory
same 3 hairs. Like,
Oh no.
when we're on the golf cart, it gets bad. Like, she'll just.
Oh my gosh.
Because we'll drive around here for probably an hour, like, and she'll just sit there and just
Pulling here.
It'll be like this, like little section will just be red from her going like this.
Oh.
I think most kids used to go for the carry, latch on.
This one is this, so it's just.
Oh.
Yeah, well, yeah, she'll just reach up and just get a handful.
Good.
Yeah, because it used to be longer. I
don't know if that.
I cut it like more than half. Like,
Keep it nice.
well, because now we're still getting a good chunk of it, but not like the whole thing anymore. Because she was getting like everything.
Oh yeah, she popped that open. She got her mouth closed off the ground.
Oh yeah, that one last time.
I mean, we still got 2 hours before this one can fall asleep. This one will go bad.
Yeah,
That was.
She's already.
Yeah. This one's no problem. That one, she took a nap from. What time did we leave your house?
She took a cat nap.
4:35. Cat nap. Yeah, so she took an hour nap. By the time, so from the time we left their house, stopped at the house, unloaded, reloaded, then came here. She was sleeping until we got here.
I got a blanket.
Oh, that's right.
Yep.
You better watch out.
Oh, mom's good.
Nice and cozy.
She's gonna be all over it. She always steals my blanket. Yes, you do.
No one stole like last year.
You gotta take it with you to work.
Yeah, we did.
I don't think the dog wants this toy right now.
What's he got?
The dog's playing dog or dog.
Oh, okay, gotcha. He's just like walking in circles.
Yeah.
Right on time.
He's right over here.
Oh, for my money. Like, he was the
Alright,
vice
Merry
president.
Christmas,
So,
everybody.
Merry Christmas.
That's a dual tone one.
Bye, buddy.
See you in 7 months.
See you in the summer.
It's funny, he's just going in circles.
They come over.
well, he was like, I'm gonna get a couple
Oh,
more.
yeah.
Gathering
Gift
scent.
Is
card.
that what it is?
I did get a gift for mine with it. She's gotta like make sure that you smell the way you smell it 4 times before she's like, alright,
You're okay. I'll let you.
well, she doesn't really assume anyone's a threat unless you're outside of that door. The second if you get in, it's like her brain turns off. And she's like, oh, alright.
Saturday at some point.
Oh, maybe I'll let